Everywhere, companies are looking for solutions to save energy, and electric motors are at the top of the list. Most aren't always operating efficiently, especially when they're running at variable loads. Back in the 1970s, a researcher at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center was also interested in saving energy. Frank Nola invented a power controlling device. Named after him, the Nola Device reduced energy waste in small induction motors by electronically adjusting the voltage of the motor's loads. It worked by sensing the amount of power needed by electric motors. Nola's device was first licensed in 1985 by several firms at a time when saving energy wasn't a big deal. Since then, one of the firms, Power Efficiency Corporation, has taken the Nola device to a new level. It has become an energy-saving solution for motors operating equipment at many businesses.
Simply what we do is much more technical, but we are a control system that sits between the power source and the motor and adjusts the requisite amount of electricity as needed in real time.
The company's original product, based on Nola's technology, was large and analog-based. To keep pace with motor technology development, they made significant improvements to their own technology, including new patents. Power Efficiency Corporation has turned the technology, now called eSafe technology, into a software-based digital system, and it's much smaller and more cost-effective. Their original product also used a separate motor starter to start and stop the motor. But it now has its own soft starter that can take a motor from a resting state to full speed.
It's a little more expensive, but it's paid off by the savings in electricity, and it also improves the life of the motor by reducing the heat because energy dissipates.
In today's world, the firm's eSafe technology is considered green.
It saves electricity and still allows whatever the application is perform at its most efficient way.
Currently, eSafe technology can be found in many different everyday uses. The Las Vegas Convention Center has installed the technology on their escalators to improve their efficiency. A number of airports across the country are using the technology in their passenger areas. In some states, utilities offer rebates to customers who install the power-saving technology on equipment at their businesses. By reducing CO2 and conserving energy, eSafe technology improves sustainability for our planet. In turn, industry saves money. Now, Power Efficiency Corporation has created a reduced-size device that has been successfully tested on home appliances such as washers and dryers, and it may also work in power tools, pumps, and many other consumer products, thanks to an invention from a NASA engineer.